Hey, kindergarten, today's book where you're going to get to read is called Allie and Ollie, and some of you might have already read this one, but I just want to walk you through it again. It's such a great story. Now, these two dogs are Allie and Ollie, and they're sisters, but nobody told them they weren't people. They think they are people. So that's what the story is about. Allie and Ollie, and they think they're people. And so it starts like this. Allie and Ollie are dogs. And I think you remember that word. That's the word that R gets bossy and he doesn't let those two vowels say their name at all. Oh, here's that where it says they're sisters. Allie and Ollie are sisters. And Allie and Ollie think they are people. Let's take a look at that word think. Do you see chunks in that? We've been working on Chunky Monkey. I see, then I see in, think, think they're people. All right. So this is going to tell you why they think they're people, and I want to get to this page because we were talking about a strategy this week called Flippy Dolphin, and this is the one that if it doesn't sound right, you want to change it to a long vowel. So let me do this. Okay. Allie and Ollie slept like people. Oh, I don't know if that sounded right. Let me try the long E sound. Allie and Ollie sleep like people. That sure made more sense. Oh my gosh, I see a magic E word right there. Let me highlight it. Do you see chunks? I do. Ch. Ass. Oh, it can't be short. It's a long vowel. There's an E in its name. Ch. Ace. Chase. Okay. That's so, boys and girls, when you are reading this book, words, for sure you need to remember the word like, and the other word you need to remember is the word are. There's the word are, okay? So, I know you are going to love the story of Allie and Ollie. Some of you even have it in paper book form that you could read it to somebody in your house. Hey, today go ahead and read Allie and Ollie.